I am S. Ravi Kumar, Research Scholar, Krishna University, Machilipatnam, under the guidance of Professor K. Chandrasekharaya Garu, GNTH, Hyderabad. Literature Survey Research Group Publications related to the cybercrime case study. Today's topic is a case study of web content mining in handling cybercrime. Abstract of this paper is culprit website that involved three crimes, that is sedition, state emblem of India, prohibition of improper use act 2005 violation, and cheating crime. Usage of web crawler tool for web content mining. JNTH affiliated to online cheating government of Telangana and online sedition government of Telangana. Snapshots of homepage of culprit website. It is an evidence that can be included in this paper. Presents how they serve as cyber intelligence alternatives for countering cybercrime. And here another session is cyber forensics, a field of study with respect to the forensic evidence related to web data and resources. And web archive, internet archive, internet archive, a non-profit digital library, an activist organization that advocates for a free and fair internet. The bulk of its data is collected automatically by its web crawlers. Web crawlers preserve as much of public web as possible. The Wayback Mission contains over 115 billion web captures. It is a internet archive tool that can capture the snapshots of the particular website. A Wayback Mission, a web crawler tool to capture snapshots of web pages or sites online. It's growing at a rate of 50 to 60 terabytes per week, a service that allows people to visit archived versions of websites. Type a URL in a particular tool and you can select a date range for getting the information of archived versions of websites. Sedition and cheating. So, what is this sedition? So, it penalizes any spoken or written words or visible representations which attempt to bring into hatred or contempt or excite or attempt to excite disaffection towards the government established by law. And cheating cheats or destroys anything signed or sealed. And here in this paper, capturing the snapshots of culprit's website's homepage. It results of web crawling. Here in this paper, it can be having two snapshots on the date of 12th November 2011 and 1st August 2015, 13th February 2012 and 18th April 2012. Tool saved the website 10 times on that particular dates. Logo for Indian national emblem and government of Telangana. So this logo is a part of image during the year 2011 to 14. So it is a fake website that can be captured the information by using this particular tool. So conclusion of this paper is culprit government of Telangana involved in three crimes. Web content mining results drawn from the Wayback Mission Two snapshots prove this cybercrime threats to national spirit and national integration of India. Such cheating, fake, seditious government should be prohibited and rooted out. Guidance and counseling. Here, it is a evidence of this particular JN2H job fake website. Here you can observe clearly a logo of the particular government of Telangana, and you can observe government of India emblem included in the particular logo. Officially, the government is not established, but they created a fake emblem and started using this particular emblem in a particular fake website called J2H Jock. And here is a culprit person, Karnakar Reddy. He is the chairman and founder. And in the right side, hand side, you can observe that registrations of the students, encouraging the students to register in this particular fake website. So here, so many students are registered unknowingly. Graduations, post-graduation students, PGs, MPhils, PhDs, even doctorate students also registered, and some faculty members also registered in this particular fake website. Nearly 1200 people are registered in this particular fake website. So it is a snapshot of dated 13th February 2012 and another snapshot of dated 18th April 2012. These snapshots captured from a Wayback Mission web crawler tool. It is an internet arcade tool that can capture the archived versions of the website or a web page. Thank you.